Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2021 Lexus IS 350 all-wheel drive F-Sport. Here we go. So this F-Sport is offered in Iridium exterior with a black geometric trim interior. This vehicle is offered by Plaza Lexus in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $50,335. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. We appreciate the support. That's how the channel grows. As we slide down the driver's side, you get a great look at the 19-inch alloy wheels here. It's a 5 split-spoke wheel wrapped with all-season radial tires. We have body-colored front and rear bumpers. For additional information, contact Trey. His contact information is listed below. We have dual exhaust with chrome exhaust tips. You can see right there the badging, the IS 350 all-wheel drive, the F-Sport. You can also see the backup sensors and the rear aerodynamic spoiler. There you see the shark fin antenna. Just a great looking body style. I love the way the body lines on the doors kind of go in different directions and cast some unique shadows. Body colored door handles. Here again are the 19-inch alloy wheels. You also see the F-Sport badging there, as well as the side mirrors. Have a camera. You can see the camera below the side mirrors. Helps you when you're backing up parking. As we dive into the interior, here you can see the leather split fold-down rear seats. It's a 60/40 split fold-down rear seat. As we pan over and see the power moonroof, and out of the back and into the front, the F-Sport sills on both driver and passenger side. Front seats are heated, vented, power front seats. There you can see the 60/40 split fold-down rear seat. Leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with fingertip controls. Here you see the center stack. We'll show more of that in a moment. One-touch up and down windows. So here's the center stack from the back seat, as well as the steering wheel with the fingertip controller. And also you see the F-Sport badging on the bottom of the steering wheel. Really a unique look. Leather-wrapped gear selector. Here again is your power moonroof. So when you enter the driver's side, more of the badging there on the F-Sport. You can see the power seats for the driver. You can also see the perforated leather fabric for the vented seats. Again, both driver and passenger are vented and heated seats. Paddle shifters. There's the F-Sport badging, as well as the 3 metal pedals. That big left one, that's your dead pedal. Helps you when you dive into the corners and you're punching it. You can stabilize yourself so you don't slide around. The seats have real nice bolstering as well. You can see the push button start, paddle shifters. It is a manual sunshade. Safety Connect from Lexus. Really a nice feature, should you ever need it. We have navigation. Here we have the backup cameras with dynamic grid lines. One-touch up and down windows. Here you can see the heated and vented seats, as well as the heated steering wheel, leather-wrapped gear selector. There's a touchpad. Here's drive mode select. So the drive mode select shows up here. You can see economy, sport, and then normal. And then also it shows up on the instrument cluster. So as a driver, you don't have to look to the center stack. You can keep your eyes somewhat on the road and look right at your instrument cluster, and you can see. So we have navigation, adaptive cruise, dynamic radar control, lane departure, a touchpad you can see right here. Mark Levinson premium sound system with 17 speakers, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Again, the key fob here with your remote start. Proximity key with push button start. Drive mode select, as we mentioned. Heated leather wrap steering wheel, leather wrap shift knob, paddle shifters, glove box with your owner's manuals, dual zone climate control, automatic temperature control, paddle shifters you see here, electronic parking brake, home link, traction control. You can see the leather wrap steering wheel there. More of your center stack and your maps and navigation. Bluetooth wireless connectivity. Unfortunately, there's a bit of a glare on the touchscreen, so it's kind of hard to see everything. So as far as your trunk is concerned, it is a power lift gate, meaning you push the button and it unlocks the deck lid. Here you can see your all-weather rubberized floor mats, as well as your carpeted floor mats with the IS badging. 11 cubic feet of storage. Here's your more of your owner's manuals in a little pouch. Trunk mat, cargo net. There you can see your Lexus first aid kit. As far as the engine is concerned, it's a 3.5 liter V6 engine, 311 horsepower, 280 foot-pounds of torque, 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, drive mode select, as we mentioned, 19 city, 26 highway. Thanks again for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, tell your friends.